concrete walls. There's a place for us. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
Hola gente, what's up guys? So a couple of days ago I posted this on my Instagram. Many of you guys were very excited and liked that braid and wanted to see the step-by-step process. But this is not going to be a hair tutorial, more of a hair braid hack video. It's actually a trick I learned not so long ago, and I'm gonna give all due credit in the description box below. I am frankly obsessed. I feel it is a beautiful hairstyle for all year long. It's also heatless, so you're protecting your hair's health. It's just a hairstyle that looks so complicated and it's actually super easy. First thing I'm gonna do is have my hair split into sections, and I'm going to leave my long curtain bangs outside, so you can just leave them hanging there while you're working with the rest of your hair, or you can put it at the back of your ears. It's really up to you. So we're basically going to be braiding our hair from the chin downwards. You can experiment a little bit with this, although you always need to be careful that your braid is not going to get stuck. Like with any braid, you want to have 3 pieces of hair of a similar size to work with. So there we have 2, and then we need a 3rd one. I'm going to pick it from this side. And then we're going to start braiding our hair. Experiment a little bit what works better for you, but you have 2 options. You either leave some room there and start braiding from about, you know, that distance from the chin. I'm gonna start in front of my chin here, and I'm going to braid my hair initially like you usually would, and then after you're gonna start grabbing another piece of hair and joining it with one of the 3 initial ones, and then you're gonna braid one more time, and then you're gonna grab another piece here and blend it with one of the initial 3, and then you're gonna braid one more time, and you're going to keep repeating this and keep adding another piece of hair and just braid. And now I add another piece of hair and braid. And as you guys can see, I'm basically repeating the same thing.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me.
So we basically keep incorporating to make those initial 3 sections thicker.
I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
And of course this looks so crazy, and I'm aware of that. I also hope you guys can see me and hear me under all this hair, but trust me, it's all worth the craziness.
Too much of emotion.
And the last bit. So step 1 is done. We basically have created a French braided beard. You want to, of course, secure this and make sure you have enough hair left unbraided here, and it's going to be very important for what we're going to do next. So the next thing you want to do is start loosening the braid, and this is going to give it a very voluminous style. That's why it's important to have some hair left here, pulling and just loosening up the braid that you just did. And this is going to give it a very voluminous and kind of relaxed look that I personally like in braids. It just looks like you have a lot more hair than you actually do. And you see how this is looking a lot thicker and kind of messy as well. I just that look. And now comes the actual hair hack. You're basically going to flip this backwards, hands inside the braid, or just do it like this, whatever works for you, and flip it backwards like that. And of course now you are unable to see anything, but I'm gonna show you in just 1 second. I'm just gonna get my bangs in order because I feel that having a few strands of hair complements the entire hairstyle. I'm just obsessed with this braid. I just find it so casual and yet sophisticated, very relaxed. I don't know about you guys, but it kind of gives me that very effortlessly romantic vibe. If you try this, please let me know in the comments below, and if you want, you can also tag me on Instagram so that I can see your braid. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me here today, and I will talk to you all again on my next one.